Hello everyone. Today we are going to see how we can draw a cone inside Fusion 360. So now to draw a cone, you can directly go into the create sketch option, select any plane that you would want and draw an vertical axis line of some length and make this axis line into a construction line. You can make lines or any geometric features into construction features by clicking here. You'll see a line type option and select that line and click constructions. You will see that line becomes construction line. So go back and again clicking construction, it becomes a feature now. So you can do this easily by just pressing X in the keyboard, select the line and press X. So the same happens. So now to draw a cone, we need a line. So take a line and draw a line like this inclined to our construction line with a random length and direction. So now go to dimension option by clicking D on the keyboard. You can give this line a length of the cone. See, you can see this dimension is getting switched as we move along the design. So if you are too confused or if you're not getting what you want, so right click and you will see aligned vertical or horizontal. So I need aligned, so I click on aligned, so it won't move. So you can see it, right? So press it here to dimension it, give it some length. Now press D again and select this line and this line. So for generally we draw a right cone. So for a right cone, the angle would be 90 degrees between the sides. So what I'm going to do is half that. So half of 90 is 45. I'm going to enter 45. And here I'm going to draw another line joining these two. So I want to close this by selecting these two endpoints. Now you can see this part of the design converting into lightish blue color. So what this means is this entity is closed and it can be extruded or revolved. If you don't get this feature, you can't extrude it. You can't solid extrude that part. You can only extrude that as a sheet metal or a surface. So you can see this now is not closed. So this has become closed. So finish sketch, come out of the design. Now just revolve this profile. So this profile is already selected and you just need to select the axis as this line and now you get a cone. So this might look awkward if you think your design is awkward or you need to make changes to the design. You can always go to the sketch option, click right click and edit design. You can select your dimensions and give it a modified dimension so you can see the change in the dimension. And once you finish the sketch, the cool feature is it gets automatically updated. So right cone looks something really big in this feature. So this is it for today's video. So subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos on Fusion 360.